hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create an e-commerce website for free on a print-on-demand platform. The print-on-demand platform that I would be using, or what I recommend that you use, is Printify. So you're going to go onto printify.com. From here, you'll be able to create an account using your email address, and it is completely free as the platform won't make any money unless you make money. So once you have created your account, you will simply tap on start for free right here. Then after you have tapped on start for free, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Now all I want you to do to create your e-commerce website for completely free and be able to share your link and start making some money doing print on demand, you are going to need to go over to the top left hand corner, right where you see my store on my screen right there. You are going to simply tap on add a new store. After you have done that, you are going to tap on Printify pop-up. By selecting Printify pop-up, you can simply enter your store name. So let's say, for example, test store POD. Then from there, you can select your country. So I'm going to simply select my country real quick. Then you're going to tap on next. After selecting next, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can select from any one of these themes. So you have different themes that you can choose from. Let's say I were to select this theme real quick, and I'm going to tap on launch pop-up store. And it is as easy as that. You have now created your e-commerce pop-up store. All you'll need to do to add products, you could tap on add product right there. Then from here, you're going to tap on browse products. And let's say, for example, we would like to sell t-shirts. We could tap on t-shirts right there. Then you can select your target market. So whether you like to target customers in the United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, any one of these countries, you can select it right there. After selecting your target market, you can see the different options. So for example, if you were to select this option, your customers will be able to get express delivery. And you can see right here, this is their best seller at the moment. So you could select that template, or you can scroll down and you can view the other templates. You can see them right there. Now let's say, for example, we were to select the best seller. After selecting the best seller, you can read about it right there, and you will simply tap on start designing. Keep in mind that you can see that you have a few options that you can choose from. So you have Swift Pod right here, and you can see their pricing right there, and you can also see front to back, and you can see the different sizes that they offer and the different colors that they offer. So you can see with each supplier, you can see that they offer a different range of colors and a different range of sizes. So you'll select whichever one best suits you. I'm going to be selecting the first option, and I'm going to tap on start designing. After you have tapped on start designing, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to add your design. To add your design, you'll simply go over to the left hand menu option and tap on upload, and from there you could upload the graphic that you would like to add onto your t-shirt. You can go onto platforms, for example, like Canva, and from here you can create t-shirt designs. So for example, I could type in t-shirt right here. After typing in t-shirt, I could tap on t-shirt logo. Then I can scroll down and you can see numerous logos that I could choose from. So I can simply scroll down until I've seen a logo that I like, and I'll simply add it. Let's say, for example, this logo right here. I'll simply tap on it. Then I'm going to tap on customize this template. After doing that, you could make changes. So you could change the image if you want. You can change the text if you want. But for the sake of time, I won't be doing that. So I'll simply scroll down, and I'm going to be using page 2. So I'm going to tap on download, and from there, I'm going to be selecting page 2. But before doing that, let me check the format that we'll need. So we're going to tap on upload right here, and you can see that it needs to be in either JPG, PNG, or SVG format. So we're going to go back onto Canva, ensure that it is in PNG. Then I'm going to be selecting page 2, and I'm going to tap on download. Once it has been downloaded, we'll go back into Printify, and we're going to tap on my device. Then from there, I'm going to simply be adding the item that we have downloaded. So let me find it real quick so you can see it right there, and I'm going to tap on open. After doing that, you can see our design has now been added. You can adjust the size by simply pulling along the edges of the box right there. After doing that, you're going to tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. Then from here, you can choose your mockup image. So let's say, for example, I want to use this as my mockup image. Then I'm going to tap on Publish. After you have tapped on Publish, you're going to give it a few seconds, and you have now added your first product. To view your product, you can either tap on the three dots right here, then you could tap on See in Store, and from there you can see your product right here. So this is your product, and you can see my store name and everything, and you can see the different categories right here. So all you'll need to do is simply copy, and you can share the URL, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.